Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need accounts and the exact target gamer tag. Start now. Sign into your Microsoft/Xbox account on the Xbox app or Xbox.com because PlayStation can't natively add Xbox friends. Once signed in, confirm your privacy settings, allow friend requests and communications, and ask your friend to read back their full gamer tag with any numbers or the hash suffix. Make sure you have that exact string saved. One wrong character stop. Open the Xbox app on phone or PC, then paste or type the exact gamer tag into search. Precision matters. Once you see the matching profile, choose Add Friend and include a concise note so they recognize you. Send the request and then check your sent requests or friends list to confirm it's pending. If it shows pending, tell them to watch their notifications on Xbox or the Xbox app. This speeds acceptance and avoids confusion. Once they accept the request, you'll appear in each other's friends list and can join crossplay games or invite through the Xbox ecosystem. If you can't find the gamer tag, recheck spelling and the numeric suffix, then try searching from another device. If requests fail, make sure both privacy settings allow cross-network contact. Sign out and back in, or reinstall the Xbox app to clear cache. This single troubleshooting step resolves most connection hiccups. Try it before anything else.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.